Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to hide reels on Facebook from someone in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening Facebook on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the top beside the search icon. Tap on Reel. Now select any picture or video that you want to add in the reel. If you want multiple pictures or videos, tap on Select Multiple at the top. Then start choosing. After you're done choosing, tap on Next at the bottom. Now edit the reel however you like. You can add text, music, various effects, and many more. After you're satisfied, tap on Next at the bottom. Here, beside Who Can See This Reel, tap on the blue icon. Here, there are three options: Public, Friends, and Friends Except. Now to hide reel, tap on Friends Except at the bottom. Now choose who you want to hide the story from, then simply tap on their profile. Tap on Done at the bottom. And that is how to hide reels on Facebook from someone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.